Hi future doctors, welcome to the next class. In this class, we will discuss about how to take reading from vernier calipers. So this will be there in your lab also. So reading formula, general reading of vernier calipers, MSR plus VSR into least count. This one only they will write like this also, MSR plus vernier coincidence into least count. In some books, they will represent this vernier coincidence as small n. Okay, how to take reading least count already we discussed. So 1 by 10, 0.1 millimeters. Otherwise, what we wrote yesterday in previous class, least count is equal to 1 MSD by number of VSD. 0.1 mm or 0.01 centimeters. This is the normal least count of the vernier calipers. Now, how to take MSR? How to take vernier coincidence or vernier scale reading? So, on vernier scale, we have on vernier calipers we have two scales I said. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is going to be 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. To understand, I am saying. Next, on vernier scale, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let us assume like this you can take. Now, what is the reading of this? How to take reading of this means always reading is 0. 0 on vernier scale is crossing how much value on main scale. Once again, I am saying this 0 is crossing how much value on main scale. So, on main scale, it is crossing this one. What is this value now? So, this is 0.5, this is 0.4, this is going to be 1, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, isn't it? So, later I won't write all those things. Another one I am seeing here. So, this is 0. Now, this is the 0. 0 on vernier scale. Now, which value it is going to cross means 1 it is going to cross. Here, this value is going to be 0.4. Now, MSR is equal to 0.4. Correct? So, that 0.4 or 4 mm. Correct? This is 1 centimeter. This is 0.5 centimeters. This is 0.4 centimeters. This is MSR. Now, what is vernier coincidence? See, among all these, one value on vernier scale is exactly coinciding with both the readings. So, this value should be coinciding like one line. That single line will be this one. So, you have to count this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 5 is the vernier coincidence. 5 is the vernier coincidence or vernier scale reading. Now, substitute in this. Total reading is equal to MSR plus 5 into 0.01 centimeters. If you are writing this one in centimeters, you have to write this one also in centimeters. 0.4 centimeters plus 0.05. Therefore, 0.45 centimeters. If you write this one is millimeters, 4 mm, this one also you have to write in millimeters. So like this we are going to take. If 0 is crossing how much value on main scale? So that value is going to be always MSR. So we are saying if it is crossing 0, how much value on MSR, that value we should take it as main scale reading. Exactly if it is there on 0 is exactly there on this value now. Now what is this value means? MSR is going to be. So 0 is there on exactly 1.5 means which is going to cross by 0 means 1.4. At the time reading of MSR is going to be 1.4. So whenever they are giving diagram for you, very clearly they will give which number is coinciding with main scale reading. So main scale reading you should not take when coincidence you are taking. You should take which number. Always vernier coincidence will be in between 0 and 10. Any value you will get between 0 and 10. Why? Because vernier coincidence will be on the scale maximum number of vernier scale divisions 0 to 10, therefore you will get in between. Next, another one on this will be 0 error. How to take error if it is there or not there. So whenever vernier calipers without any object, if 0 on main scale is coinciding with 0 on vernier scale, if 0 is exactly coinciding, then this is called no error. Let us assume 0 on main scale like this. Now 0 on vernier scale. This is 0 on vernier scale. This is 0 on main scale. So it is going to cross right side. If it is going to cross right side, error will be positive. Correction will be negative. Always error will be positive, correction will be negative. How many divisions it is going to be right side? So those many divisions you have to subtract. If 0 is left side, let us say, this is 0 on main scale, this is 0 of this one, vernier scale. This is main scale. Then error is going to be negative. Correction is going to be, whenever error is negative, correction is going to be positive. So 0 exactly coinciding, no error. Whenever 0 is left side, correction is, means error is going to be negative, correction is going to be positive. Whenever 0 is going to be right side, whenever object is not placed. So you have to take care about all this. Okay, this is about error and how to take reading from vernier calipers. So they will mention very clearly if error is there. So they will mention either diagram or they will give these values in the question. So while adding, you should be very careful while writing the units. So they will give 4 mm. So many people will do least count with 0.01. Here they will write 4 mm. 4 mm and 0.05 centimeters you cannot add. Both should be in same units. So you should be very careful on that. This is how to take reading of vernier calipers and what is the error. And previously we discussed how to measure least count. Other than this, they can't give anything. And how to take MSR, I said. So 0 on vernier scale is crossing how much value? That is always MSR. And which number on vernier scale is getting coincide with main scale? That is going to be vernier coincidence or vernier scale reading. So this is about how to take reading. So what is the use of vernier calipers means? To measure the diameter of the spherical bob, so volume of the cylinder, and to find the depth of the cap, isn't it? So all those are nothing but uses of vernier calipers. So in next class we will see screw gauge. First we will see least count. Again we will see same like this measurement or error. Thank you.